Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libra. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Libras. And today we'll be picking one card from the message from your person. So this will be the message card, what they wish to tell you, and one card from the fortune cookie deck. So that will be your lucky inspiration for today, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Libras, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, and I'll be sharing her link in the description so you can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So we will keep these cards here. So let's start these cards first. We have Ace of Water, Seven of Fire, and King of Water. So Libras, you are someone who is a very loving and caring person, and today you are someone a very helpful, friendly natured person, and you care for people around you. You look after people around you, maybe your friends, family members, people in your life. You respect them, you care for them, you listen to them, and you respect their ideas and suggestions, and you listen to their opinion, whatever it may be, before making any important decision in your life. So with the people who are close to you, you try to build a very harmonious and a balanced relationship. You are a very gentle and a loving person, and that may be the reason people appreciate being with you. They love your company, and you are someone dedicated. That may be true even in your relationship. If you make a decision, you stand by that, and when you have made this decision to be in this relationship with this person, you are someone, no matter what differences you see between yourself, between you both, you try to do the best. You try to find the right solution no matter what circumstances are, and you are someone having a lot of perseverance, patience, waiting, and you know what is the right thing, or what is the most important thing for you, and you stand by those choices you make, and you are a person who tries to do the best no matter what difficult circumstances you are in this relationship. You respect this person, you love them, you are really friendly with this person, and you understand that each and every one of us are unique. We have our differences, but no matter what differences we have, you are in this connection, you love this person, so you try to build that harmonious, meaningful partnership with this person you love. And that may be the reason in this love, in this relationship, Looks like you have a deeper um, understanding. You have something connecting you both, some kind of a bond, a very strong bond connecting you both. And this love may be, what to say, it may be, this person may be your soulmate or a twin flame. So that is the level of bonding connection you have, and this love is unconditional. Maybe whatever problems you face, still you feel really attracted to this person and you still love to be with them. So some kind of a very deep and something you cannot explain, inexplicable bond you have with this person. Inexplicable bond of love in this relationship. But that does not mean that you do not have any problems. It means you have all the problems each and every relationship has, but still something is holding you both together here, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Tower. Just like I said, you have a lot of difficult circumstance you are facing. Everything is changing in an unbelievable way. But something is holding you both together, and this relationship is here for a reason. This person is here for a reason. Maybe they are here for your spiritual awakening, for your spiritual growth, for your emotional growth. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have one card, Messenger of Earth. So you are someone really practical, committed to whatever choices you make in your work circumstances, and you are a very hard working, determined person, dedicated. That may be the reason you are going to see success very soon. Your efforts are going to pay off, and you are going to see that you will reach success because of your hard work today, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your message from your person. So what they want to, or what they wish to tell you. I'm sorry, I couldn't follow through my promises. So this may be the reason for some troubles in your relationship, but they truly regret for having been this way, for not in a position to follow the promises they have made you today, Libras. And the fortune cookie for you all today, love. Love is in the air, a great time for commitment and taking relationships to the next level. That is what we were speaking about. So this is a very, a deep relationship, an unbreakable bond of love you have. So something so deep, something connecting you strongly. So that is the fortune cookie, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Libras. I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.